I mean, aside from the appeals.
All right, I just got my AC unit,
That the judges, decision statement.
and
You know, I've been overturned a couple of times.
it
by the
is
appeals court,
working awesome. I'm
and other
testing it
times
inside
I've
right
been
now.
by
Just fits right up in the window. These vents right here to control it. Got a remote. Right now I have it set to 68 degrees A. It's blowing out ice cold. And this thing is compact. Look at that. So the plan is this thing shortens, actually gets smaller. I was just going to have it come straight out and go right into the wall of the van and put a exhaust duct on the outside of the van that this hooks into, custom shape. But it's got 3 settings. It's got a dehumidifier, a fan, and air conditioning, which it's currently set to AC.